Good morning, students. You are welcome in DSS online class of mathematics class 8. Your mathematics book is NCERT mathematics book. In this book, you have 16 lessons that will be divided into two parts. First term lessons are 1 to 8 and second term lessons are 9 to 16, in which I have taken 1 to 4 lessons for periodic test first and 9 to 12 lessons for periodic test second. This is your syllabus, whole syllabus of your class 8 mathematics. That lessons are: first lesson is rational numbers, second linear equations in one variable, third understanding quadrilateral, and fourth practical geometry, fifth data handling, sixth square and square roots, seven cubes and cube roots, 8 comparing quantities. Lesson 9 algebraic expressions and identities, 10 visualizing solid shapes, 11 mensuration, 12 exponents and powers, 13 direct and inverse proportions, 14 factorization, 15 introduction to graphs, and 16 playing with numbers. This is your whole mathematics syllabus, means whole year syllabus, that will be divided into two parts, first term and second term. In first term, periodic test first 1 to 4, and in second term, periodic test second 9 to 12. And in annual examination, I have also taken 30% syllabus from first term, that will be decided in future. And your requirement for mathematics is one long notebook, one geometry copy, one graph copy, and one lab manual or practical copy, and one geometrical box. These are the requirement of mathematics class. So you complete your requirement whatever here necessary, and you also complete your classwork or homework in your copy. Whenever I ask to submit you your copy, then you submit your copy. Okay? Myself Sanjeev Srivastava. I am going to start lesson 1, rational number, in your mathematics class. That's related terms are here: natural number, whole numbers, integers, fractions, and decimal numbers. First of all, I want to introduce about natural numbers. You know, counting numbers are called natural numbers. It is started from 1 to infinity. Smallest natural number is 1. Then our second topic is whole number, means natural numbers with 0 are called whole numbers. This means whole number is started from 0 to infinity. Smallest whole number is 0. Then third topic is integers. Whole numbers with negative natural numbers are called integers. Example: -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. This means there is no limit in left and right both. There is no smallest integer and there is no greatest integer. Integers are divided in two parts, that is positive integer and negative integers. Natural numbers are called positive integers and negative natural numbers are called negative integers. And 0 is neither positive nor negative. Students, I am going to introduce about number line. The numbers which are represented on the number line, and the line is called number line, and here I present integers of the number line. This is 0 in the left, -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on, and in the right 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. There is no largest and smallest integers in the integer system. There is no integers between two consecutive integers like -1 and 0. There is no another integers between these two. But in these any two non-consecutive integers, there is at least one integers between them. Like -3 and 0, you have two integers, -2 and -1. Greater integers on the right of the integers on number line, and smaller integers lie on the left of the integer on the number line. Like 0, -1 is less, means smaller integer than 0, and 0 is greater than -1. Okay. Students, our next topic is fraction. Fraction means part of the whole. Part of the whole is called fraction. Whole is an object or group of object. Clear? That's definition is a number which is written in the form of p by q, where p and q are natural numbers. Example: 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5 and so on. These are the examples of fractions. Like if you take a circle and divide it into 4 equal parts, when you take one part from these 4 parts, you get 1 by 4. This is the fractional part of 1 out of 4. When you take 2 parts from 4 parts, you get 2 by 4. In fraction, the upper part is called numerator and below part is called denominator. Like this, there is a differences between fraction and rational number. Rational number is a number which is written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers. Here is p and q are natural number, but here is p and q are integers, where q is not equal to 0. All natural numbers, whole numbers numbers, integers or rational numbers, which is written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. Example,